Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove AOD, always on display, like this one from NOKIA X30. And in my previous video I shown you how to download Movies Edge app, which allows you to get this custom AODs for your phone. And now to remove them you'll need to unlock your phone and navigate to the app, which is Movies Edge. Here select the settings, always on display, and right here on the top you can either disable or enable that setting. I was looking for it, pardon me. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.